Creating repeat visit claims is one of our users' favorite functions. Speedy Claims has features that allow you to create new claims for existing patients fast and easy, without having to even open the claim. In your claim list, highlight the claim or claims you need to rebill for. Clicking on your F7 function key will recreate the selected claims with the date of service 1 week later than the existing claim. Clicking on your F9 function key will recreate the claims with today's date of service. In this example, I have 4 existing claims selected to rebill for patients who had visits today. Using the F9 function key, new claims with today's date of service are created and saved in your list. They are also highlighted and ready for you to print or create your batch file for electronic submission. Perfect for many solo providers who do their own billing, creating claims for the patients you saw today can be done in seconds. No other medical billing software comes close to Speedy Claims' ease of use and time-saving features.